Hello guys, today I'll be changing my rear shocks. So I'll be removing the ones that came with the car and putting these staying B4 rear shocks. So I will show you very soon why I had my rear seats folded and this panel removed. Very soon. It's just so that we can remove this trim. We need to access the other point, the other, what do you call it, the other part that the rear shock is fastened on. So it's held from below on the lower control arm and right here on the chassis. So I'll show you how to remove this trim, but for now I'm just sorry it's very windy. I hope you can hear me well, but first thing first, this is the shock absorber. I'd like to remove it. As you can see from this residue and the shock is worn, so would like to change that. So first things first, use your superpowers and remove your wheel. Okay, superpowers are not working. Maybe you need ultra superpower, which is my foot. Okay, that did the job. You don't want to put that aside. You probably want to. Oh, so this is why I have the rear brake pad alarm. My rear brake pad got turned. Look at that. So I'm of the idea that you want to put this. Okay, this one is useless. You want to put your wheel somewhere there. It might save your life. Just put it there in case that fails. Okay, so from here, this is the shock absorber we want to remove. Oh my goodness, look at all that oil, all that mess. I wonder how I was even moving it. So this is the shock absorber we would like to remove, and what we would like to do, what we would like to do is from below here. This is the bolt we would like to undo, but you find that the shock absorber might start to turn the whole of it, so you might need another wrench to hold this part. Should be a 16mm X that goes there. So hold here and undo the bottom part of the socket, and once it's free here, we are ready to go and undo it from the top, from the inside. Lucky enough, the shock absorber is not inside the spring, so if you have basic tools, this is quite an easy job to do. You don't need the spring compressing tools. So yeah, let me undo that part and I'll get back to you once we are ready to go inside. Alright guys, excuse my very torn glove there. I think this is not the right gloves to wear when working with metal. So yeah, a quick update. I have removed the bottom bolt, the bottom nut, sorry. It was very easy to remove. I used it's a 17mm. I used that ratchet. So basically the bottom end is done because it's only this one screw. I hope you can hear me because it's very windy today. So what's left is for us to go inside and remove the top part, and to do that, what you need to do is we want to remove this plastic rivet and undo these torques so that we can peel back a little bit of this carpet in order for us to access somewhere here. I'm not sure where. So I'll undo that part. I'll undo that the plastic rivet and that one, and we'll try to peel it. I'll get back to you soon. Alright, so once you remove this part that was here and the rivet that was there, you find that you can easily pull out this whole carpet. Let me do it from the other side. You just wanna fold it. I think I will have to remove the battery. This cover that hides the battery. Put that aside for a second, and I'll try to pull out here, and voila, it goes out of the way. And you just want to fold it just so you can access. This is the cap I want to access, not that the arrow is pointing up, so we want to put it back that way. So you can just pop this off, put it aside, and this is the bolt we don't want to undo. I can see there's a bushing there, so we just undo this bolt and the shock is free. Then we can pull it from the bottom. Let me do that and I'll get back to you. Okay, so the nut that holds the shock, it's held in on the bushing there, so I think I'll be putting back that one. And it's free there, so now we can compress it from the bottom and pull it out. Okay, so you want to hold somewhere there, pull it down, pull it down. I think you may need both hands to do this, but I only have one, so I think I'm gonna have to use that. And it's out, so you can see. Okay, that's coming out. There it is, guys. I don't know what to say. This shock absorber was, I don't know. I just don't know what to say. It was more than finished. More than finished, guys, and wow, I just can't believe I've been like, let me take this off. Let me take this off and show you. This thing doesn't even come back. Check that out. It drops and it stays. I literally didn't have shock absorbers in my rear, and it's, oh my goodness, I can't believe I've been using this. So yep, that's let me check the replacement. Goodness, I think these things do not have any size to them, or any side, like this one goes to the left. They're just the same. So yeah, checking those, it looks like everything is the same, except that this is butane, baby. And except that this is fucked up. So yeah, compress this, put it back. It's the same way. I think I will be putting back. These are dirty, but they protect my shock from dust and all that. So I'll be putting that back like that. I'll also put that back, and So yeah, let's put this back and we're good to go. It's just the reverse way of what we did. I hope you guys can hear me because it's very windy today, so be with me. But yeah, let's put this baby in. Okay, so first in this one, it's in place. The bottom part is in place. What's left is to just put everything back together, tuck this carpet inside this seat trim and put back the wheel, and we're done. So now we're just finishing up the job, putting everything back together. Oh my goodness, I forgot to put it back. I will just do that quickly. Okay, so I just managed to squeeze my hand right through. It's not really fun here, and I put it back. So again, put back this trim. It's not difficult. As you can see, I'm managing to do it with one hand. You just want to put everything back together. So that's done. You do the same thing for your side. So basically, guys, that's how you change your shock absorber. You can wait to, take it for a drive and feel how it feels, how it drives after removing this. I don't know if I can say one, but it's finished. It's simple also. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will keep these videos coming. Also, give us some comments. Let me know how you're doing, and we'll do just that. So thanks guys for watching. Peace out.